Now, my engineer will teach you to welding the arc products. That is mean not the same surface. You can see just like this. Yeah, and this is the laser head. The laser head will be controlled by the computer and automatic adjust the focusing size. To adjust the focusing size, you can use the computer software. The correct focusing size, that is mean you can to see the welding products clear. Yeah, let me personally show you. First, you open the software. 慢继续。
再打开一次吗？
不用了。You can see where to find the same point. We choose such as here 5, and you see, you can see 再来一遍. Yeah, you can see the camera, the CCD not clear, right? Then you need to adjust the Z here.
Okay.
They're becoming clear. Yeah, it's clear. The end line. Then we'll end it another one, another distance. Again, it's not clear. You just repeat the step like this. Yeah, just like this. The Z, that is mean up and down the focusing size. It's not clear. Then press Z. It'll becoming clear, and press the end line. Then repeat the step like this. Then, when you edit all the distance, and you need to press the OK. Yeah, you can see that is the welding pass. You can see as save as this file to your desk.
就去看 CCD。
You can see the CCD now and press. And the focusing size will be automatic adjustment.看的话按哪个来看？
就按这个就行。咱看一下是。
这个关电了。Yeah, we need to add current. 就踩脚踏可以吗？
不行，用电脑碰的。加到100吧。
你慢一点。
是的。
好。说到哪？电脑按哪个？按哪个是很行？Then press around.
对哈。
真的。Press around and for welding you can check. 好。
后面有点小。终于太小。
Yeah, this is the welding. Okay, we add the current. 把电流调大。调到
160吧，是吧
？And press run from the computer. Yeah, continue.
它功率大，闪的光多的。可以拿下。
太热了吗？把它保存一下，把它保存。For the pattern design, and you also can save as to your desk. 103. Yeah, next welding, you just open this file. Let me show you. You can check. 把这个软件关了，然后把那个导进去。导进003哈。慢点，慢点。Open. Yeah. Then for the next welding, you just click around for welding. It's okay.